Alright, so now we're going to go from standard form to word form with whole numbers and decimals. So remember, start with the place value chart, write your number in words, write the period where the number lives. Remember that a decimal like 0.30 can be written as 3/10 or 30/100. So we're going to look at an example of that right now. So on my place value chart, I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 0, decimal, 4, 0. And if I look at this one, the same one, I see that I have 10, 20, 30, 40. And you remember when we were talking about place value, remember that this part right here, that this one little section, remember, is 1/10. And so how many tenths do we have? Well, right now, we circle this next one. That's 2. That's 3. We have 4/10, just like we have 4/10 on this one. But also, when you look at this, that in this 1/10, you also have 10/100. So let me write this down here first, that 1/10 equals 10/100. The same thing like 1 dime equals 10 pennies. The same thing. Now, let's go ahead and put this number into word form. So we have the number 0. Holy smoke, can't make a 0. And 4/10. So let's look at another one. Looking at our place value chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 and 5 or 50. And it can be written two ways. 0 and 5/10, or 0 and 50/100. Let me box that. So it can be written both ways. Now for my last one. This one, I have 1 whole shaded. So I have 1 whole shaded, and I have 28 of this one shaded. So you remember when you have two numbers, like numbers from 1 through 9 written through here in those zeros, remember this will be 28/100, not 2/10 and 800. It's just 28/100. So this is 1 and 28/100. Alright, and remember, make up use of numbers, go through that, practice, practice, practice. That's the end of our lesson.